I think, like finding the right exchange in the crypto markets is extremely important. Like, imagine you're going on a 10,000-mile hike through all terrains, all biomes, all environments, and you've got to tackle many obstacles along the way. You're going to have to ensure that you are equipped with the right pair of shoes. Now, navigating the volatile waves of crypto, you also need to be equipped with the correct tools, effectively an exchange which can help you get through the markets the best way possible. Now, overall, I want to talk about KCEX, guys, how it can help you, whether you're pro, advanced, intermediate, complete noob, or even if you're just buying for the first time ever. Effectively, KCEX is what I've started to use, and a lot of my crypto community, like for example in my Discord channel, we're actually starting to move into KCEX. We're really enjoying the KCEX side of things because it's just offering such a large discount for users in terms of lower fees, just lower everything. You can see here are some wins from people in the group. A lot of people are using KCEX, and it's because they do truly have the lowest trading fees. Not a lot of people know this, and a lot of guys out there will only push the exchanges with the largest fees because of like commission and stuff like that, right? Now, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not going to say there's anything wrong with that at all. But if you are, the way I see it, we're creating a space, a community, because we want to help as many people as possible, and saving people, time and money by, deploying an exchange with lower fees is one way of doing that. So KCEX for sure. Lowest trading fees, altcoin futures trading platform, KCEX Verify. If you want to verify it, you can. Alternatively, it is also KYC free as well. New user rewards, surprise rates. There's a share of 20,000 USDT daily on rewards as well. So overall, it's a very fun, robust, cool, versatile exchange, which is safe, secure, globally accessible, no KYC. It's the lowest trading fees that you can find on the market. Safe and reliable as well, with a really nice UX and UI for you guys to explore. You can use it on your phone, your laptop, wherever you are, Android, iOS, iPhone, whatever you're on, Google Play, and you can get started basically. And when you do click on the fees button, because this is what really separates a harshly expensive exchange and a non-expensive exchange. You can see here on the spot side, maker taker 0%. That's incredible. Like on spot trades, you've literally got no fees right there. We could also see on the future side of things, there's a 0% maker fee and a 0.01% taker fee, which is absolutely insane. And to top it off, you've got deposit and withdrawal fee. I don't know what that ding was. That was horrendous. You've got basically a zero withdrawal fee event across all these coins. You can withdraw crypto with no massive fees. Now, the only downside, in my honest opinion, would be with this exchange, because everything's got its flaws. Effectively, it would probably be that you can't really on-ramp fiat. There's no way to like use your bank card to get USD or GBP directly into KCEX exchange. So the way you have to do it is actually move funds from another exchange directly in to KCEX. And the other way I do this is, for example, you've got Bitfinex, right? Bitfinex is an exchange I'd use, or alternatively MEXC. So there's two other options here that you can use, and I would choose one of these other exchanges to work in tandem with KCEX. So effectively use KCEX as your sort of leverage, anonymous, KYC free, low cost exchange. But you can use like Bitfinex, for example, here, which is another really good exchange that I do like, just not as much as KCEX. Or you can use MEXC, which is very, very widely known. Another great one that you can actually on-ramp fiat, and you can also use Bitfinex to on-ramp fiat, off-ramp, and as well as MEXC, you can off-ramp as well. So you can use KCEX as your kind of exchange where you're going through, you're picking tons of different coins, you're doing your proper trading here, and you can use the other ones to sort of navigate your crypto from this exchange into KCEX, of course, if it applies to your country's regulations and whatnot. But that's how I'd do it. I'd have KCEX as the number one trading exchange, then I might just do more holding of crypto on like Bitfinex or MEXC. I've also linked these exchanges down below for you so you can get straight into them. Everything you need here, a complete arsenal for you guys to get trading in the crypto markets safely and the way you want to. So these are free exchanges I do very much enjoy. Now, looking at KCEX on the spot side of things, we've got tons and tons of trading pairs that you can enjoy in the crypto market. You've got loads of meme coins, loads of utility, loads of altcoins, loads of layer ones, layer twos, and yeah, this is the spot side of things. Actually, we're looking right now, I believe, we're on the spot side, right? You can see you've got Bitcoin's price, You can see down the bottom, you've got order history, trade history, and all that good stuff. And yeah, you can just click on tons of different coins. If you want to look at Litecoin, that's no problem. If you want to buy some Litecoin, if you want to buy some, I don't know, there's so many other things. Okay, I want to buy some, I don't know, dogs, or I want to buy some PEPE coin. Not a problem. It's going to be here on the exchange for me to do so. You've also got leverage trading. And here you've got tons of options. If I want to go trade leverage on XRP for a 50x, do a crazy long or a crazy short, I can do that with KCEX. And I know that I'm getting the best rates because there's no massive fees here taking away my hard-earned money at the same time. So it truly is the lowest trading fees in the crypto markets. And I think that's what just makes so much sense. And you know, you can navigate these markets. You can see hundreds of coins, and there's a good chance that one of these coins will be on KCEX. For example, if we just look at Brett, will Brett be here? Brett is indeed there. Or if we look at, I don't know, Fartcoin, just picking off some coins I've just seen. You can see Fartcoin is here on the future side, but I believe it's also there on this spot side as well. You see spot and futures. So it really is a great host to thousands of different meme coins, KCEX. So it's a portal. It's a doorway to the access of many cryptocurrencies if you wanted to do it that way. SPX 6900. So, you know, that's another coin that's pretty cool, by the way. Not financial advice, but yeah, I think overall, KCEX is that sort of brilliant sort of area where you want to be doing spot, futures, and just basically escaping big fees in the markets, because it's true that BitConnect is going to have higher fees. MEXC is going to have some higher fees potentially, but you can use BitConnect or MEXC in conjunction with KCEX if you wanted to. MEXC, you can on-ramp, you've got airdrops, you've got events there. BitConnect, you know, great things. You've got copy trading, you've got staking, and other things like that. So, you know, they all come with different benefits. There's so many exchanges out there, but like I say, when you're spoiled with choice, it's kind of like you're on Netflix again. You spend 3 hours just having a look at something to watch, or you're completely high off your face. You go into the candy store and you've left the shop 45 minutes later just because you couldn't make a decision because you're spoiled by choice. You know, you got a bit of fruit winders there, you got some Skittles over there, you got some super sours and some Chewits over there. Then you get, you know, you're lost in choice. But here, I just wanted to make it quick and easy. KCEX, guys, is the one that's really good so far. So for sure, sign up down below in seconds if you want to. KYC free, globally accessible. I don't know how to explain in any other way that I just really like this exchange. It could be a fantastic one to use for the future, and I really hope they keep on making it a better place, a better exchange. Looking good. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you want trading signals, also if you are someone that is in the market and you want to actually get some trading signals to use with the exchanges that you do potentially sign up to, check out my Patreon just down below. Space is super limited. We've only got a few slots now left for Crypto Legend. This will give you early memecoin alpha, trading signals, analytics, insights, and all that juicy stuff to help you hopefully become financially free, hit that time, location, and financial freedom in this you know, wonderful life that we live. So yeah, thank you so much to all the supporters, subscribers, likers, discorders, whoever you are, wherever you are. I wish you a lovely weekend and see you very soon. Peace.